Welcome back to Resources with Marie, and I am your host, Marie. To all my new subscribers, thank you for becoming a part of the community. To all my pre-existing subscribers, my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for showing up and showing out, hitting the thumbs up, leaving your positive comment, and sharing the videos. Thank you so much. We're trying to grow our community. Today's job opportunity comes from QVC. If you are new to the channel, we are doing work from home opportunities and we do shop with me trips, although I must say I am a budgeter at heart, so hopefully I will be able to go back into that budgeting community. I just really love going into the budgeting. So for now, we're doing work from home opportunities. Just in case you guys want to become a budgeter or need that little extra income, you can actually watch our 133 video home opportunity. Or maybe you're trying to switch up a job and one of these work from home opportunities will work well for you. So check out our playlist. I'll try to down below. So if you're new here, we're doing the work from home opportunity as well as shopping trips, as well as on our shorts. We do anything that we find on sale that might be beneficial, that might be an essential or anything, and maybe you can go out and grab those. Like we recently did a Walmart pool, and it got pretty good feedback. You know, it's pretty hot in a lot of places. We're going up 102 to 111 degrees. It's hot. Some of us need a pool. So without further ado, our QVC Texas customer service work at home. Really big and bold, work at home. It's a full-time job and it's in customer service. So let's read here what we need and what it consists of. QVC customer service specialist answers inbound customer calls in fast-paced environment. Working at home, our specialists problem solve to assist our customers. So if you don't have an environment that's quiet enough to do phone calls, then this might not be for you. If you're not comfortable attending phone calls, this might not be for you. But basically all you need is a headset. You're not using your actual phone. You're using a computer and a headset to do most of these jobs, from what I have seen. Starting rate is $15 an hour, automatic increase in pay every 6 months for 2 years, resulting in $17 an hour after 24 months. New pay for performance incentive paid out monthly to eligible team members. Pretty cool because you get incentives. Like I know the pay might not seem much, but you do get incentives, which I saw. I don't know how true it is because I don't live in Florida. But someone that made a video that does live in Florida said that Florida's minimum is like $15 an hour, I think it was, versus other places, which is almost 20. So they're saying that Florida is one of the lowest paying states. I don't know if that's true. I just saw. If you guys hear noise in the background, it's pretty rainy. We're going through a rainstorm, so hopefully the light won't cut off. It's been cutting off for 2 weeks. Hopefully it won't cut off so I can finish this with you guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. This is what we do. Life with QVC as a customer service specialist. Busy day handling a high volume of customer inquiries. Assist customers with questions while personalizing the experience for each caller. Calls may include confirming refunds, taking payments, placing orders, analyzing account data. Opportunity for advancement and upward mobility across the entire Curate retail group family of brands. Report into assigned supervisor. The right candidate. Problem solves and de-escalates unique situations while sustaining a high-paced call volume. Learn and work in a virtual environment with a set schedule and structured day. Communicate with a variety of customer styles, peers, and leaders. Navigates multiple systems and screens while assisting customers. Follow QVC computer system requirements. Troubleshoot own technical problem in partnership with IT when needed. Available to work weekends, holidays, and additional hours. Reside in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, or Boise, Idaho. Is it Boise, Idaho? Correct me, guys, in the comment if that's not the way you say it. System requirements. Our work-at-home team members need to maintain the necessary system requirements to provide a great experience for our customers. While a full expectation list will be provided after your interview, here are a few main ideas. self-provide computer or laptop running Microsoft operating system, operating on Windows 10 and not old 5 for headsets, high-speed internet connection, satellite, broadband, wireless, or dial-up service are not an option. Mac, Apple products, Chromebook, Surfaces, and notebooks are not supported. Training schedule. Your QVC career begins with a paid week training period where full attendance and participation is required through the duration of the training. Training schedule and work schedule post-training will differ. The application process. Our application process is candidate lead. Each notification for next steps will be sent to the email address you provide. Complete application, complete skill assessment on mobile device or computer, self-schedule interview, complete interview. Remote work is permitted in NYCN at this time. So let's hit the apply now. But here it gives you what the application process looks like now. The thing here is you can only live in certain states here: Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, or Idaho. And you have to have your own equipment with their specifications. So they're not going to give you equipment. It says it here loud and clear. You need your own equipment. Which if they need stuff so specific, they should, right? It says self-provided. They should provide you with it. They're only going to reimburse you for the headset. That's about it. So make sure whatever headset you buy doesn't go above $75. Let's hit an account to be able to go through the application process, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you enjoy the work from home opportunities. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as we are doing work from home opportunities as we find them. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. Share the video so that other people can get a heads up that they still do have work from home opportunities and great jobs with great companies. Thank you so much for being a part of the community, and I'll catch you guys in the